I'm John, CEO at Joyland Roofing. If you're unsure about what happens when you call us or submit an online form, this video is for you. I'll take a couple minutes to break down our process for you, so listen up. Ever hear the saying, practice hard, finish easy? While we're past the practicing stage here at Joyland, we still put the principle to work every day. It's important for us to understand what the current problems are and why there's a problem before we start prescribing a fix for you. We want to dissect the issue, understand what makes it an issue, and make sure we're all on the same page. So our first step is going to be an inspection of the current conditions. It's kind of like we're roof doctors, but instead of white coats and stethoscopes, our tape measures and cameras help us deliver a proper diagnosis for you. How long will the inspection take? We can typically be in and out within about 30 minutes. Once we're sure we understand the issues, we put a price quote together for the work. Often we can deliver that immediately after the inspection, but if that doesn't work for you, we'll typically email it to you within 1 to 3 days after inspection. Now here's the kicker. Ever had that sinking feeling when you realize the quote you got didn't cover everything? It's kind of like ordering a pizza and finding out later you have to pay extra for the cheese. Not cool. A good roofer should be able to give you a full and complete price quote right up front after a proper inspection. Sure, there may be a few unknowns from time to time, but even in those cases, we want to let you know beforehand what to expect. All that to say, our price is our price. No bargaining, no shady maneuvers, no hidden fees or unexpected charges. That's what integrity means to us, doing what we say we'll do at the price we give you up front. Of course, everybody we give a quote to signs up with us immediately. Okay, I wish that was the case. There's usually some back and forth on colors, types of materials, scheduling, and so forth. And then once that's all been squared away, we send you a link where you can review the scope of work, our warranty, and other relevant information for your job, and sign the quote right there online. Now it's time for Joyland to deliver on our promise to you. But hold on to your wallet because we're not asking for a single penny until we've completely finished your roof and you're grinning from ear to ear. Figuratively, of course. It's satisfaction guaranteed or your money stays right where it is, all of it in your pocket where it belongs. Anticipation can be a roller coaster in itself, right? But when it comes to home improvements, we know you're eager to get the ball rolling. Our goal is to communicate the schedule to you within 2 days after you sign up. Most times we can do the work within 2 to 4 weeks after the quote is signed. You'll have a dedicated job coordinator in our office who will stay in touch with you in case of any schedule changes like weather delays or other schedule-related things. Alright, time to get the work done. Once we're on the job, our goal is to get the work done as quickly as our quality standards allow. Most of our roof replacements are wrapped up within 1 to 2 days from start to finish. Your project manager is always on call and is often on site to make sure things are going smoothly. As soon as the work is done, we perform a thorough quality control inspection from top to bottom, from the chimney to the flower beds, checking for proper flashing, fastening patterns, and so forth on the roof, as well as things like cleanup and property protection on the ground. And one more thing for you to do. I'd love to have your real, honest feedback. I don't offer any special incentives for a glowing 5-star review, and I don't twist your arm to get a flowery testimony singing my praise. None of that. At the end of the day, I want to be able to meet you in the street, look in your eyes, shake your hand, and know that my company did its best for you. And I need your help so we can get better at doing exactly that. So there you have it. 6 easy steps to get your roof replaced with Joyland. I hope to hear from you soon and would love to help you out. Thanks!